Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2015 Toyota Camry, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace a battery in this car, just in case if your battery is dead or it's time to change it or whatever. So you can save some money by doing this yourself. Very easy, no worries. Pop the hood. It should stay like this. So now here is our battery. The battery is being held down right now by this bracket, okay, so it doesn't move around here, and it's being held down by terminals. So what we're gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the terminals. I'm gonna start with the negative. Some people say that you should start with positive, some people say you should start with negative. Whatever you start with is fine, I think, but still. Okay, removed one terminal, remove second terminal, and just move them aside, get them out of the way. Next thing, we will have to remove this nut and this bolt, so just remove these two items. Okay, so here's the nut I took out, put it right here for now, and here we have a hook, so we just unhook it and put it right here. That's it. At this point our battery moves and we're gonna take it out. It is heavy, so be careful and take it out. That's it. As you can see, very simple. So when you're buying a new battery, make sure that the positive is on the top left corner and negative is on top right corner, because the varieties are different when you buy the battery. So now you go to the parts store, bring him this battery, and they will give you some quote for it, like 10-15 bucks they give you back if you buy a new battery. So that's something to consider. Now let's say you got a new battery, there will be caps. Take the caps off and install the battery back in, the same reverse procedure. So let's put it back in. Got the battery in, align it. Good. So let's take the bracket, goes through the hole in the hole here, and over there you have to hook it up. So we hooked it, this nice, and put the bolt we took out earlier. Put the bolt in here. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it up now. Okay, so tighten this up, put terminals back in place. Good. And tighten up the terminals. After you're done, you're done. That's it. Tighten it there till it's okay. Good. And this thing here. Good. Okay, put the cap and you're all set. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.